Yes, you. You know what's happening this Saturday? We are doing the greatest stream ever. Pokemon.
So what type of Pokemon cards are we opening? Our Evolving Skies, baby. We'll start off with 1 ETB, or maybe 2 ETBs, or maybe 14 booster packs. Or that's not all. We might be going for 3 sleeve packs. I guess it's kind of normal. And 1 tin, 1 booster box, and another booster box. So yeah, tune in this Saturday at 9 p.m. Me and the gang will be opening cards. I'm gonna get some Taco Bell real quick, so.
If I hit you with a W-I-D, you better not hit me with a H-E-Y. It better be like, hi, with a bunch of eyes, or hey, with a...
I had a mobile order. John. Alright, have a good one. You too. Thank you.
I know you won't.
Oh, you're still here? So yeah, so tune in next week, Saturday, 9 p.m. Pokemon. Oh damn, I need to use the bathroom. Once again, we are back. Please tune in this Saturday at 9 p.m. and watch the greatest Pokemon unboxing ever. We're gonna pull so many cards. Yeah, boy!